Hi, my name is Olia, and in today's video, I want to go over the neighborhood analysis and how to pick the best quality neighborhood for your fix and flip. Why is neighborhood you pick such a big deal? Because most of your buyers will be retail buyers who will actually live in the house. They are your end users and are very picky in what they're buying. Now, you can't know your buyer's taste, but there are a few things that we can pretty much in this business guarantee that they will want good school districts and safer areas with less crime. So when you're looking for that first project for yourself, first research the area to make sure the crime rate is low. School districts are hugely important. For your first project, I would recommend doing something that's easy to sell. Ideally, it should be a starter home, something that's 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and in that starter home price range, whatever that may be for your area. For a home like that, your buyers will most likely be a family with children. So a good quality school district will definitely help you sell it for more money. Same as with the crime rate, just Google the area in which you're interested and see what the school ratings are. Keep in mind also that with these starter homes, a lot of these buyers will be first-time home buyers. And from what I have noticed, these types of buyers tend to care more about meeting a certain monthly payment than the purchase price. So usually you can sell your fix and flip for more money to these types of buyers. I ended up selling my first project for $20,000 over what it was actually worth. And judging from the feedback from all of the potential buyers that I spoke to during the negotiation of that sale, neighborhood played a huge role in that. So pick your neighborhood wisely. Again, my name is Olia, and thank you for watching this video. In my next video, I will go over how to run the numbers on a rental property. See you next time. Bye-bye.